Welcome all. Welcome to this new section. This is the fifth part where we are going to discuss the 10 questions related to piping engineering, which are generally asked in an interview. So let us see what are these 10 questions in this section. Main application of 36.10. Okay, in 36.10, it is going to cover the wrought steel, welded steel, seamless steel. So we are going to look into what are these steels. Okay, what is the manufacturing process of ERW, electric resistance welding? Overview of manufacturing of seamless pipe. Okay, this section is very common. ASME B is very common in piping industry, but these are the few terms which we need to understand. So these basic things will be covered. What is the total scope of ASME B 36.10? Okay, we need to know that every piping engineer should know what is the total scope covered in 36.10, which they have to refer during the project life cycle. How to read dimensional standards for below or above 14 inch. Okay, this is the basic criteria which is already given in 36.10. This will be discussed. Relation between pipe thickness versus pipe schedule. So this is one of the questions. When and what to refer in 36.10. Okay, so this section is talking about 36.10, which is very commonly used in piping industry, and everybody should know all the answers. So see you in the answer section. Playlist is a very good tool which is provided by YouTube for all the YouTube channels. On this platform of oil and gas fundas, we have so many playlists with us just to organize the content in a systematic manner. Many playlists are created. For example, the consolidated list where all the videos available on this channel are there. Then many topics we covered: pump piping, compressor piping, pipe rack piping. All those topics we discussed in length. All those small short videos, long video, everything we have created in a playlist form. So you can always look into the playlist and check out how many topics, what kind of topics we have covered. Then we discussed the 2-minute funda series. 150 plus videos are there, so all are consolidated in the form of that playlist. Many codes and standard API ASME clauses we discussed, all are organized in a systematic manner in the form of playlists. Then recently we completed our piping certification course details. That is also covered in the form of playlist. It is available on this channel. Then other self-improvement topics, for example, how to write a covering letter, how to write an email. Many videos are there on those topics. So those are also uh, consolidated in the form of playlists. Now this is a new series where we are going to discuss interview questions related to piping engineering. We are going to cover 10 questions per video. Again, there will be a playlist available on this channel. You can always go through that to go into content. So this is a very good tool organized in a systematic manner. Don't miss, many more videos will be there, and those all will be consolidated in the form of playlists. So this is again a very good tool. Don't miss. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.